So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE Squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. I'm happy to finally announce to y'all, bro, the new Widebody kit for the Charger is finally here. It came all the way from overseas. I know I've been teasing it. I got new wheels. This is all for the new kit. So the kit is called the Lions kit. Y'all take a look on Instagram. I'll probably do add a little video portion in here somehow to show y'all what it looks like on the car, a little stuff like that. But the kit is finally here. I ordered December, I think 10th or 11th, and it's finally here today. It came like all the way overseas, bro. It's fiberglass. I'm going to try to paint it myself, but I want to do this quick little intro before I do the final unboxing. So I'm going to turn around real quick so y'all can see I already peeked in it. I have to rush home real quick. Here's pretty much all the pieces of the kit. It is fiberglass. Look how it's packaged up in here. And like in a wooden frame, bro. Look at that. That's crazy. So I'm in my backyard. Gonna do a quick little unboxing. Got my little tripod so y'all can sit and watch me unbox this. But it is finally here, bro. Save for it, pay for it in cash. And I was just being patient and waiting. And the other part is I'm gonna try to paint it myself. I already got, I think about I'm gonna do the spray can trick because, you know, it's fiberglass. Look like it's already primed gray a little bit, so I probably can add some adhesive and spray it like that. I'll ask for some tips, but I'm gonna try to paint it myself in my little paint studio back here. But the kit is here, man. Of course, I'm gonna put it on myself too. But like I said, the old Widebody kit is getting sold or even sold or given away. I don't know, most likely sold because I just got tired of it, bro. One was like the bad paint job on it. I got done wrong on that, and then got tired of the flares leaving gaps. I just got sick of it. So now I got Widebody wheels. May even stick the Widebody wheels out a little more. New kit. I'm getting the stock scan pack bumpers back because you gotta have the stock scan pack bumpers to make this kit work. So I'm getting those. Me and my friend gonna trade. He's gonna give me his old bumpers because he's buying a Widebody kit, a stock Widebody kit for the Charger. So it all works out. His bumpers are already white too, so I don't have to get painted bumpers again. So that's the key point right there. Shout out to my boy Jason. So bumpers on point, already got them. Just gotta paint the kit and pretty much take off the old Widebody kit, put this kit on, we good. I already got a new grill, got the snorkel grill, already painted the snorkels. I'm way ahead, bro. But like I said, this is the new kit, all packaged up. I'm gonna unbox it, set the phone up. Dang, I gotta take out screws too. Okay, I like that. But like, it went through customs, it went through everything, bro, and I finally got it here. So stay tuned. Let me go ahead and set y'all up so I can get this unboxing on the way. Alrighty, let's get this unboxing going. Like I told y'all. Let's get it. See how it looks, see the condition of it, make sure it's no cracked. Bro, I'm so hyped, y'all don't know how long I waited for these things. Make sure my address, bro. side. Turn this baby down a little bit. Fender. Let me set it up right there. Make sure y'all can see this joint. Isn't it? Yep, y'all can see everything. Yep. Fender. Looking good. Damage, I'm gonna twist the edges. Attached to the front bumper. Well, not the front bumper, I mean the fenders, the new fenders. Back bumpers. I've got the back fenders. It's all looking good. It's all looking in pretty good condition, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Look at the way it's packaged, bro. This is a sign. Let's go to the rear of the back. I can see. Look at that. Another back piece. Look at that front piece. I've analyzed this. Back piece. Back piece. Back piece. And here's the other fender for the front. So I can see. Got a little badge where it goes. Let me make sure it's right. Got a little badge on where it's going. Bam, bam. You can see. And that's the kit. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this crate, bro. Y'all can see. Let me bring y'all a little bit closer. Y'all can see that is the full kit. The full kit. Let me aim it more at the bottom. Make sure y'all can see everything. Perfect. Yep. Front fenders. Rear. Let's see. These connect to the front. Bro, let's go. Let's go. It's about to be a crazy year, y'all. This build is about to go to the next level. Like, seriously. Let me go ahead and take y'all off here. But that was the unboxing. Y'all can see, kit is in beautiful shape. I'm gonna paint it myself. It's beautifully packaged. And it's finally here, like I said. Front, I think I got this right. Pretty much, I know one of those connect to the sides or the back of it, or the front of it, I think. We're gonna see when I unpackage them more. But That's for the front. This for the back. That's pretty much it, y'all. It's for the back. Hooks onto the bumpers, and I'm like, this is crazy. I can't believe I got this, bro. And then not many people have this kit in the state. I don't think nobody really has it in Texas, bro. Except maybe one person, maybe. I know I'm really the only person that may have it in Waco right now. So stay tuned. This been about to be crazy. I'm still waiting on the paint to get here. I'm gonna try to paint it myself. It looks like, I don't know if I'm gonna have to sand it or not. We gonna see. We are gonna see. But stay tuned, man. Version 3 of the Charger has just started. All right, y'all. This is what I got coming right there. It is called the Lions Kit. Shout out to Nabil. Where is it at? Right there. Shout out to my boy. That's exactly what mine gonna look like, but with different snorkels and new grill, different wheels. But that is the kit that I ordered right there. Shout out to Lions Kit. They hooked me up with a good price discount code. So, bro, that is what your boy's getting. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put it on just like that, because I gotta save for the wrap. I'm not gonna get it painted, but that's how sick it's gonna look. Wide load, boy. I told y'all, man, don't sleep on your boy. Look at that. Let me switch another one. Ooh. But anyway, y'all, this is the back view of it. It is, like I said, it's called the Lions Kit. I ordered this baby right here. I'll reveal the price, and I'll show you it when it gets here. I'm probably not gonna release this video until it actually gets here, so I can show y'all that, the unboxing, then show y'all like how it looks on, how it's gonna look on my car. But like I said, Lions Kit, I'm gonna put it on primer gray like that, save to get it wrapped. I'm gonna put it on myself like I did my own wide body kit, but it's pretty much the stock rear bumpers of the Scat Pack. The stock rear and front bumpers of the Scat Pack. I got that coming. Me and my friend is gonna get my wide body kit, and I'm getting his stock bumper. So pretty much that's how it's gonna work out. Got a good deal on that. They're already white, so ain't gotta worry about painting the bumpers again. So all I gotta do is put on the kit, ride it just like that, save for the wrap, and it's about to be crazy. I think it's pretty much one